Hi, Mom.
Hi, buddy.
Do they use the big chunks of dust, Mommy? What do they do with it? Don't go walk on them, otherwise you get very trouble. You know there was these two together. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, I'll try not to.
Water. Let's see. When you squirt it, come out from the water.
Catch it. Okay.
Cheese.
Use a little more. So oh yeah, that was a very different one. Very different.
I wonder what branch they're going to cut down now, Mom. Oh dear. The octopus had yeah.
They're leaving some tree.
What do you say, Daddy? What do you say? Timber! It's like the running out of workers. We're running out of workers. We're going to do something. Aren't they? Right? Be careful, Mom. Don't walk into Sissy. I think we should go faster. Look at that big bird up there. Whoa. I just saw a big bird up in the Thanks for helping me. Yeah, you're welcome.
Here comes Judea. All right, you ready, Tubbs? Here it comes. You ready? Oh, you almost caught that one. That was so good. All right, here it comes, Tubbs. You ready? You're gonna get this one. You ready? Oh, almost. You want to try to catch it, Bubby? Okay, let's try to throw it to Bubby. You ready? You ready? You ready, Bubs? You gonna catch it? You gonna catch the ball? Here it comes. Oh, almost. You ready? Here it comes. Oh.
Good job, Michaela. They're going to call on you for a lot of stuff. Be careful.
I'll be right.
It was predicted in 1948 as a result of the Big Bang model.